The first person to bring me a pineapple gets $10. Let's see who's gonna be my sucker. Well, no, I'm being sucker. Get the money a little bit more transparent for people. Got a pineapple?
Oh, we gotta get a pineapple.
$10 is the first pineapple I get, so.
Hold on. I'll be right back.
Oh, she's running. Oh, and she's wearing like those Jesus sandals. Those are hard to run in, you know? I like how someone asked what the sign was, and she in the car was like, game's over. Well, technically not. I still have the $10. I don't have a pineapple. But I don't know. We might have someone who goes in there and gets a pineapple. Oh my God, I think that's her right there getting the pineapple. Do you see that? She didn't even like flinch. Oh my gosh. I think we got a winner real quick. Because no one else has stopped to read the sign. They've all ignored me. Oh my God, she is like waiting. Oh my God, I think we have a winner. I think we have a winner. I think we have a winner. No. She's talking to the guy. Oh, she's paying with her phone. Ooh, you can pay with your phone at the West Side Market? Oh, well, that's what I learned today. I like the maniacal laughter. Well, the sign says pineapple for $10. There's your $10. How much did you make? How much did you spend on a pineapple?
It was just like $5.
Oh, well, you made $5. Well, shoot, okay. Businesswoman. Get that entrepreneur skills, girl. Well, I got a pineapple. Game over. Ooh. Can I just like, how do you eat this? Do you have to? No, I'm kidding. I know how to eat a pineapple, I promise. There they go. Bye! They won.